Hey there, YouTubers. Here we are at the Coastal Virginia Auto Show. And we came across this beautiful 1957 Chevy delivery. Gas or race style for the 60s period. And it is for sale. Very nicely done. Has power brakes. American Racing wheels. There's dual mirrors on it. Has a Muncie transmission, 4-speed. It's got the gasser style steering wheel with the metallic. Interior's completely finished. Very nicely done. Chrome is nice. And dual exhaust. Two-door delivery. Has aftermarket gauges. Let's see, we have a list of options here. Aluminum Be Cool radiator, radial tires, billet pedals, dash tachometer, summit gauges, bucket seats with custom interior and panels, power windows, and power vent window. Very nice. Alright, if you like this walk around, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification for future videos. Thanks for watching.